In this video, we will discuss what a company is. Let's say Amy owns a small bakery. She's a sole trader. That means she is the business. If the bakery makes money or loses money, it's Amy's personal responsibility. But when Amy starts a company, something important changes. Now the business is separate from her. It becomes its own legal person with its own name, contracts, and money. Because the company is separate, Amy has limited liability. If the company owes money, only the business assets are at risk, not her house, car, or personal savings. And even if Amy decides to retire or sell the business, the company keeps going. This is called continuity. The business can live on even if the owners change. A company also has responsibilities. It must pay tax, keep records, and follow the law, just like a real person. So what makes a company special? It's separate from its owners. It gives limited liability, so owners are protected. It has continuity. The business doesn't stop when owners leave. And it pays tax and follows rules like a real person.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.